Good afternoon. Welcome to 3 by 2 multiplication. That is 3 by 2 multiplication. Now, of course, that's not the kind of multiplication I'm talking about. That's a third grade skill. We're big bad fifth graders, so we're going to do big bad fifth grade math. I'm talking about 3 digits on top and 2 on the bottom when I say 3 by 2. Let's look at number 5 first. Okay, I'm going to show you the standard algorithm. This is the tried and tested and true way that most multiplication has been done, probably what your mom and dad are used to. So I'm going to show you the method. That's what I like to use. And going forward into middle school, it's going to be valuable when you get to bigger numbers. Okay, let's get started. We start with the ones place, the number on the bottom. The ones place has a 5. So we need to multiply times the one place on top. 5 times 5 is 25. So we're done with that. Now we can move to the tens place, which is the 2. 5 times 2 is 10, plus that 2 that we have there is 12. So we group the 1, there's the 2. And then 5 times 1, of course, is 5, plus 1, 6. Now, we like to tell students that Bob has a job to do, and Bob's job is to be there and hold that place. And the reason is because that's the ones place, and we're done with the ones place, which was the 5. Now we're in the tens place, right? Right here in the tens place. So we need to start with the tens place to multiply. And we go across the top just like we did with the ones place. So we have 1 in the tens place, so 1 times 5, 5, right there, right there. 1 times 2, 2, and then 1 times 1 is 1. It really helps to have your stuff lined up so that you don't make a mistake. These are called partial products, right? The partial products, because it's part of the answer. We have to add them together to get the complete answer or the actual product. These are called factors. Factor, factor, and then we have 2 partial products. Let's add them together to get our complete product. Everyone knows what product means. It means the answer to a multiplication question. 5 plus 0, 5. 2 plus 5, 7. 6 plus 2, 8. Second grade skills here. 1 plus 0, 1, add a comma, box your answer. 1,875 is our answer. Okay, is our answer, or we can call this our product. It's the product of 125 times 15, right? Those are our factors. Okay, so now that you've seen that, rewind it a couple times if you have to, and then see if you're ready to take on this bad boy right here. And just put your comments in the answers below. Don't forget that you need to multiply the ones place first. And then once you multiply the ones by these 3 digits on top, don't forget about Bob. He's got a job to do. And then you can move on to the tens place. All right, good luck. Put your comment down below as the answer to the equation 425 times 82. Good luck again.